Each one of us has some skin insecurity that we would love to banish. Using face oils to target your concerns individually is the way to go. We will be taking you on a skin healing journey using an array of potent essential oils. You must be thinking adding oil to inflamed acne is probably the last thing one should do, right? Think again. The right essential oil can be used as an overnight spot treatment to bid farewell to your inflamed nemesis. Tea tree oil is packed with antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. This makes it perfect for tackling the germs that are the main culprits behind pimples. Take a spoonful of aloe vera gel and add 6 to 8 drops of tea tree oil and mix well. You can store this mixture in a small container for a convenient nightly acne treatment. One of the most common issues among Indian women is pigmentation. Lemon is well known for its bleaching properties. However, lemon oil is extremely concentrated and must be used with care. Mix in a few drops with your night cream and apply it on the pigmented areas. Remember to only use lemon oil at night as it increases your skin's sensitivity to sunlight. Aging is one thing no one can escape. As the years go by, the appearance of fine lines and loosening of skin increases. To fight this, pomegranate oil is just what you need. With its cell-regenerating and nourishing properties, it is the perfect oil to slow down the effects of aging. Apply a few drops right after you get out of your shower and let the oil sink in. Acne are uninvited guests that reside on your face. Unfortunately, even when they do decide to finally bid us farewell, they leave their unwanted traces as dreadful acne marks. If you despise these blemishes, lavender oil can come to your rescue. Mix in a few drops of lavender oil with some aloe vera gel and spot treat those pesky acne marks. Store this in a jar and use it as a nightly treatment for best results. The most tackled topic in skincare and makeup today is dark circles. Here's the best way to heal them naturally. Avocado oil is full of fatty acids and vitamins that will nourish your sensitive under-eye skin. Mix in a few drops of almond oil along with avocado oil and apply it under your eyes every night. Unlock all the miraculous benefits of essential oils to heal every skin concern. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.